Let's get that cold start. Not very loud, but sounds good still. I still have to customize the factory Roush exhaust. What do you guys think? Does that diffuser have to go or what? What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hopefully each and every one of you guys is having a great and amazing day. Man, it is fucking hot today. Anyhow, if it's your first time stopping by, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. And while you're at it, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. Today's video, you guys aren't gonna fucking believe this, but the Roush is officially broken. We got 97.5 miles. And yesterday, while I was just casually driving, I really haven't got in on it yet, because obviously it's not broken in. But it seems like it's having an issue shifting. Just under regular, very, very light throttle, all of a sudden it'll skip a few gears, then downshift and completely lose power. Then the little wrench symbol will come on and it'll say reduce power, see dealer, see owner's manual, etc. I did reset the battery, or removed the cable off the battery, left it off for about 20 minutes or so. I read online that doing so resets the transmission module or something, so hopefully that fixes the issue. We're going to drive it around right now. I noticed the issue after my battery died yesterday, and ever since then I've been having that issue, so hopefully it's just something minor. If the problem persists, of course we still have warranty, so we'll take it to the dealership and it shouldn't be too much of an issue. Let me see if I can replicate the problem on camera for you guys and maybe get your opinion. So the door is open. As you see, 97.5 miles. Even when, okay, that actually shifted pretty smooth. You see how the car is like clunking, going back and forth. It takes a second for it to shift, it seems like. Anyhow, I'm going to drive it around and hopefully the problem doesn't keep happening. It seems to be a little better. It's not jerking as much as I shift from reverse to drive, from drive to reverse, etc. I'm not noticing the issue, so hopefully it is fixed. We're going to drive it around and see. That's the only thing we can do. If it is, we're going to take it back to the dealer. Either way, it has to go back to the dealer. I noticed a dent. I'll have to show you guys where it is. And I contacted them about it. They said, of course, they're going to take care of it. So I'm glad that they're going to take care of it. I was kind of upset about the dent, to be honest. I figured everything would have been taken care of before I got the car. They knew I was coming to get the car. The deal was already made before I got there. But no big deal. They're taking care of it. That's all that matters at the end of the day. I'm probably going to switch over to the trusty GoPro. That way there I can drive and talk and not have to hold this damn camera in front of my face while I'm driving, and you guys can see the dash and the drive. I haven't tinted the windshield yet, so I don't know how the footage is going to look. Hopefully it looks decent. Hopefully the sun doesn't blind you guys. I may even wait till tonight to do it because it's just gonna look that much better at night. The inside of this car looks absolutely fucking insane at night. I love it. Can't get enough of it. Let's just get going. Alright guys, so far I've been driving with absolutely no issues at all. I think taking the battery off did reset it. However, when I'm just kind of slightly driving, seems like shifting into 5th gear, the car jerks really hard. But if I paddle shift into 5th, there's no issue. So I know the 10 speeds have like an adaptive learning for the transmission, so I'm hoping that, I guess, it adapts and learns my driving, I guess. I haven't been driving the car aggressive at all, of course, just like this. So hopefully we can get it figured out. I haven't put on the GoPro yet because I'm literally going to hang out right now, and quite honestly, I just don't want to fuck up my hair. Got my boy in front of me. You guys probably recognize that bike. Definitely fast as fuck. ZX6R, we're gonna have to get in a run one time. Alright guys, there it is. The car is officially still broken. What the fuck? Still drives good, but while just cruising, car kicks hard. I'll have to connect the GoPro to show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. It's super irritating right now. The car literally, as you see, well, focus, has 110 miles on it. That dash is sick though, minus the service light. Alright guys, I am finally done hanging out. On my way home currently. Let's see if we can get it to jump the way that it's been doing. It's actually been acting pretty decent. So generally when I'm just in normal mode, not snow and wet, but normal, right here when I'm in 4th gear like that, and then a big jerk, I don't know what's going on. It's a little irritating, but if I get on it just a little bit, everything seems fine. Bro, one thing I gotta complain about is the fucking gas mileage in this car. Like 129 miles and 27 miles to empty. That's I mean, maybe I might have been doing some spirited driving, but honestly, I haven't even been anywhere near wide open throttle. Maybe I'll do one at 500 miles, but I'm most likely gonna wait till 1,000 miles. So the content's gonna be limited for the first 1,000 miles, unless we're, you know, going to a car meet or making the introduction. That's coming soon. Here it goes, boom. I know every time it's coming. And then I completely lose power. It's the weirdest thing. Like, I can put my foot on the floor when that happens, and I don't go nowhere. It's like, it goes to neutral, but it doesn't rev. I don't know how to fucking explain it. Anyhow, what I was saying, intro is coming soon. I'm gonna make an intro when I get the car, or I've got the car already, but you know, when I first got the car, before any modifications have been done to it, except for tint, because, well, I got that done the first day, because you're not gonna catch your boy fish bowling everywhere. Anyhow, once I get the intro done and the whole reveal, all of this is being filmed before the reveal. So once that reveal is announced, here it goes again. C manual. Completely lost power. And then it picks back up. It's the weirdest thing. Anyhow, once that reveal is done, there's gonna be more content. Let's switch back to sport mode, because it doesn't happen as much in sport mode for whatever reason. I don't know if it's because it's more aggressive. So I'm gonna, like I was saying, I'm gonna do the reveal, and then the content's gonna be rolling out, and you're gonna see, or if you haven't already, the first video is gonna be me purchasing the vehicle, a little bit behind the scenes, my initial reactions to the car. I can't wait to do the first wide open throttle pull. Like, it's exciting. Is it gonna do it again? Nope. Probably going to get some reaction videos while the car is stock, and then as I modify it, I'm going to get more reaction videos, if that makes sense. So like if I go with a lower pulley or any upgrades, E85, tune, whatever, get some reactions from people, and then we could compare them. I'm going to try to keep the same people for the reactions. So for example, if I had my buddy in the car and I did a poll, I would try to get that same buddy in the car and do the poll and kind of do like a side-by-side comparison, if that makes sense, and see his reaction and get his opinion on if the car is actually faster or if it's just me. Obviously the dyno is going to show more numbers. Another thing, of course, that I want to do is hit the drag strip while I'm stuck. I never had the experience to actually even hit the drag strip with the RS, but I definitely would have loved to. Same thing with the dyno. I'm going to get a stock baseline number, and I'm going to use the same, yeah, I know I'm fucking low on fuel. I'm going to use the same dyno every time. I found a good spot with the RS, so I'm gonna use that dyno pack. That seems like probably the best dyno out there, to be honest. It's accurate and it's true. It's a true number. It's not exaggerated, and it definitely doesn't rate under. It's a fair number. So I'm looking forward to getting the stock dyno number on this. I'm imagining maybe a little north of 600 wheel, considering I make 710 at the factory. If you minus 10% drivetrain loss, you lose 71 horsepower. So figure it out. 640 wheel. I'm assuming it's gonna be about 620 wheel or so. Considering this car's on 91, and obviously the 710 horsepower comes on a car that's on 93. But it's definitely quick for what it is. I've definitely enjoyed the car thus far, except for that part where I need to get gas after a little over 100 miles, and the fact that it's having a transmission issue, it seems like. But we'll work that out with Ford. It's still under warranty, thank God. By the way, let me roll down the window so you guys can just appreciate this exhaust note a little bit. It's wild. Back end kicks out, of course. Sounds fucking amazing for a stock exhaust. It almost has like a lope. That man needs some new brakes. To 7th like that, and it cut power in the meantime, which is the odd thing. Oh, this is a bittersweet moment. My bank doesn't like it, but the car sure does. And of course the prices of gas are going up. But it's all good. Alright guys, I am going to get some gas right now. I'm super tired. So I'm gonna call it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you have, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. Drop a comment in the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts on the car, of course. Your thoughts on what this problem may be. It's stressing me out. And of course guys, if you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed already, please consider doing so. Until next time, I'm out.